Hello friends, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture I am going to talk about MCQ questions on fundamentals of alternating quantity. This is part 2. This will be useful for GATE examination and some competitive examinations. Okay, so I am going to discuss these MCQs. Question number 1. An alternating voltage is given by this V equal to 20 sine 150 t 157t, the frequency of alternating current. What is this 157? Omega equal to 2 pi f equal to 157. So you can find the frequency f equal to 157 upon 2 pi. If you do it, you will get 25 hertz. Question number 2. The peak value of alternating current is Im. Then its average value. We know average value equal to what? 0.637 Im. We have derived this formula. Okay. The voltmeter in AC circuit always measures the RMS value. Voltmeter and ammeter, they measure the RMS values, and wattmeter measures the average value, right? So voltmeter measures the RMS value. Question number 4. The phase of V of t equal to 100 sine 341t plus pi by 4. So pi by 4 is the phase, that is the answer is 45 degree. Okay, the polar form of minus 3 plus j4, minus 3 plus j4, ये आएगा. If you do it, this will be like this, right? So magnitude will be 5, 3 square plus 4 square under root of that. So 5. Angle will be approximately more than 90. So it is maybe this. Okay, this is. Otherwise, you can use the calculator, convert rectangle to polar, you will get this angle. 5 of the angle 126. Right? Question number 6. The rectangle form of 5 of the angle 30. 5 of the angle 30. This is 5 magnitude of the angle 30. You can convert into rectangle form by using the calculator. Both will be positive. This is positive. Yes, this will be the answer. All are wrong. यहाँ negative है, यहाँ negative है, यहाँ negative. All both will be positive, right? So if you use the calculator, you will get this. Question number 7. If sinusoidal quantities are in phase quadrature, then in phase difference, phase quadrature means 90 degree. So phase difference will be 90. If I1 equal to this, I2 equal to this value, then you can say I1 equal to A sine of omega t, I2 equal to B sine of omega t plus 30. Plus 30 means B is leading. Sorry, I2 is leading. I2 leads I1. Right? I2 leads I1 by 30 degree actually. So I2 leads I1. Okay. The negative maximum of the sine wave occurs at 45 डिग्री 90 डिग्री पे पॉजिटिव मैक्सिमम आएगा, 180 पे जीरो आएगा, 270 पे नेगेटिव मैक्सिमम आएगा. सो इट इज 270 डिग्री, राइट? Ten. An AC voltage is given as Vt equal to 50 sine of omega t plus 100 sine of omega t. So what is the AC voltage is given by RMS value? So first of all, 50 का अंडर रूट ऑफ under root of 50 square plus under root of 100 square. So if you do it, you will get the maximum value, and if you divide by root 2, you will get the RMS value. Okay, so 50 square plus 100 square under root, if you take it is, you will get the peak value, and if you divide by root 2, you will get the RMS value. So I'm going to do it. 50 square means 2500 plus 10,000 under root of that equal to this divided by root 2. You will get 79 volt. Okay, so this is, you will get it, then divided by root 2, it is the RMS value. So you will get 10. Question number 10. So question number 10, 50 square, 50 into 50, 2500, just wait, 2500 plus 100 ka square equal to this, under root of this equal to 111 divided by root 2. So you will get 79.0567. So this A is correct. I think an answer key I have given 106. So this is not correct. So 79.056 is correct. Okay. So please correct it. 10. Question number 10. Okay. Question number 11. Question number 11. X is projection of a phasor representation and instantaneous value of an alternating current. Instantaneous value of an alternating current. Y-axis. Projection of a phasor represents an instantaneous value of an alternating current. That is 11 is A, y-axis. On x-axis it is the time or omega, right, or angle. Phasor representation of I equal to Im sin omega t rotates at speed of omega radian per second. Phase of an alternating quantity varies from, yes, phase of alternating quantities varies from 0 to 90 degree. Phase of an alternating current quantity varies from 0 to 90 degree. Okay. Okay. Question number 14. The peak value of an alternating wave is 400 volt. Please, sorry, 400 volt. Peak value. So its average value क्या आएगी? 2.637 into 400. 400. So 400 into 0.637. So it is more than, sorry, it is 400 है, तो इसका average value 0.637 into 400, it is 254. So A answer is correct, right? The average value of sinusoidal varying voltage is less than its RMS value. Always RMS value is more, so average value will be less. The peak value of sine wave is 200 volt. Its RMS value will be, peak value अगर 200 तो RMS value will be 200 upon root 2. RMS value will be 200 upon root 2. 200 upon root 2, if you do it, you will get 141 volt. The form factor of purely sinusoidal waveform is, form factor is equal to always 1.11. Okay. The voltage can be raised or lowered is the advantage of AC. What is the advantage of AC? Yes, you can raise or decrease the voltage with the help of transformer. So it is, the voltage can be raised or lowered is economical and efficient. That is the advantage, okay, of AC. द टाइम पीरियड ऑफ साइनोसॉइडल वेव विथ 200 हर्ट्ज फ्रीक्वेंसी, टाइम पीरियड क्या होगा, t इक्वल टू 1/200, 1/200 is just wait, 1 divided by 200 equal to 0.005 b. Question number 19. Question number 19. 0.005. Okay. 20. The waveform which shows repetition of variations after a regular time interval is called as periodic waveform. Right. 21. Relation is true. Omega theta equal to omega t. Theta equal to omega t होता है. Right. Omega t equal to theta. Okay, this is the correct 21. 22. The amplitude of alternating quantities, peak to peak 2 times, no, peak to peak by 2, right? It is a amplitude means maximum value. So it is peak to peak value divided by 2. Okay. 23. 1/4 cycle of 50 Hz waveform corresponds to 50 Hz का time period क्या होगा? Time required for 50 Hz 1/50 means equal to what? 0.02 seconds, right? So half cycle means 20 millisecond. 20 millisecond. So half cycle means 10 millisecond, और उसका 1/4 cycle means 5 millisecond. So 1/4 cycle of 50 Hz means 5 millisecond, right? 24. An instantaneous value of an alternating current of frequency 50 Hz having RMS value 0.707 ampere at 120 degree. Instantaneous value of an alternating current RMS value equal to 7.07, frequency इतनी है at 120 degree. So we know I equal to what? Im sin 2 pi f t. ओके, तो RMS वैल्यू अगर 7.07 है तो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू कितनी होगी? 10. 7.07 into √2, 10 sin 2 into pi means 180, 10 sin 2 180, 2 pi f कितना है? 50. ओके, सॉरी यहाँ कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है, ये कुछ लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ करंट एट 120 डिग्री? सो डायरेक्टली 120. So what is sin 120 into 10? Sin 120 equal to 0.86 into 10 equal to 8.66 ampere. 8.6 ampere. C is the correct answer. 24 का C, right? Just I equal to Im sin theta, और theta equal to कितना दिया है? 120. So sin 120 you will get 0.866 into Im कितना है? 10. So you will get 8.66, right? Next, question number 25. A maximum value of an alternating current of frequency 50 Hz, 50 Hz having an instantaneous value of 5 ampere at 90 degree. Maximum value of an alternating current of frequency 50 Hz having an instantaneous value of 5 ampere at 90 degree. So see here, this is the waveform. If you draw, this is the sinusoidal quantity, right? Having an instantaneous value of 5 ampere at 90 degree. This is 90 degree, right? ये वैल्यू कितनी है? 5 ampere at 90 degree, 50 Hz. Okay, so what is the maximum value? Maximum value भी 5 है. Okay, so that is the answer is E. 5 एम्पियर एट 90 डिग्री है, मतलब वो 90 डिग्री पे मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ही आती है ना, so that is the answer, right? Okay, this is the answer sheet. Here in answer sheet, question number 10 was there, and in this question, please, I'm just going back. 10, yes, 10, VT 50 sign off plus 100 sign off. Yes, answer was this A na. Actually, here in answer sheet it is written C, but it is not correct, it is C. It is VT equal to this, it's RMS value. So under root of 50 square plus 100 square, okay, and maximum value आ जाएगी and then divide by root 2. Okay, so it is 79.07. So 10 answer is of 10 is A. So यहाँ पर 10 का आंसर A है. So please correct it. It is not C, it is A. Okay, so this is the correct answer. 10 answer is A. Thank you very much for listening me carefully.